Dude, my hair is so bad right now. We're going on a catamaran tour for the day. Swimming with some sharks, maybe some turtles.
In usual TMS fashion, we are late. So this is apparently called Shark Ray Alley, which probably has some sharks and some rays. Oh my god! This is literally insane.
So I just kicked a shark in the face by accident. Felt good, man.
I was between a shark and its way out, and I'm like, oh, this is not good. And then it literally started coming towards me, and then like went between my armpit and like my side. It was when I was climbing up. The shark came literally like that far from me, and he's like right there. Hey, buddy.
Beside me, and I like got to feel it from like almost at his head all the way down to his tail, and it just went right by me. So we're just rolling up to Key Cocker here, Peak Island over there, and I think we're gonna have lunch and just hang out for a bit.
Mitch, tell us what you're doing.
I'm just leaving our mark. Notice how they look up to us? That's intentional.
There's another dive platform. It looks like it might need to be tested. Okay.
Oh! Ow!
Oh no!
This my shit. All the girls that feel like this.
I don't know how Sam Coulter does it.
That is painful.
Am I radiating?
That is like nice and red.
Alright, we made it back. We're all gonna have showers because we just got splashed on that journey back.
Okay, we're hitting the going for dinner, but we're doing it in style on the golf carts again.
Well, the prices at this restaurant are quite achievable with my budget, I would say.
Oh, no way.
Quinn.
Little to your right.
Now?
You're so close. There, yeah, you got it, you got it, you got it. Okay, look at me and smile.
So Quinn said that if we get everyone to go to the next door beach or resort, which is Coco, then he will do a gainer off of the rock. So we're trying to get everyone to go over there so he can do a gainer off the rock.
Except we all know how it went when Mitchell did it.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna see how Quinn fares doing the same thing.
It's been a year to a year and a half since I've done a backflip on the trampoline. So this is gonna be a big jump here, literally. Like I said, I'm gonna try the backflip first and then we're gonna go for the gainer.
You got a full send, Quinn.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, no! Oh, frick. Round two.
Well, we'll try it again. Oh my god. 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 You know how to do a gainer, sir? I do. You do? Yeah. Really? I'm kind of sketched for him. He doesn't know, I don't think he knows how hard is it.
Odds he's faking it.
Sketch.
This buddy just rolls up. He's like 50 or something, and he's like, "Oh yeah, that's not a usual gainer." We're like, "Oh, you've done them?" And he's like, "Absolutely." And then he goes over. We didn't really get the shot because he just sent it, but he just shows Quinn up and freaking nails the gainer.
We're gonna have to maybe give it a rest here.
I think we gotta give it a rest.
Jake, give me a final interview, dude. Tell me what's going on right now. Yeah, final thoughts.
Wow.
You have to say it's been pretty freaking sick.
We'll never see this place again.
No, that's
It's
a little
been a
depressing.
good time.
I think I'll come back.
I'll try to come back.
We're just leaving San Pedro on our way back to Belize, and it should be about 10 minutes in the air, and then we'll be on our way to Houston.
Come here. We're just about to get onto our plane. We're gonna try and get our drone back. If not, that'll be a bummer. So at the moment, this piece of paper that's in my pocket is worth $1,300. Next time we come back, you literally go in there the next day, grab it, and they don't even check whether you leave or whether you go back onto your flight.
We have one bit that should be back relaxed, and I believe outside is still
That is so funny.